so you just watched me set up my little paint area for the day. I bought this bed frame at a garage sale for $15 yesterday. No Bodie. They had it priced for $30, but it was Sunday, so they were doing everything half off. So what I'm gonna do is paint like the metal parts, this farmhouse black. No Bodie. The Rust-Oleum, I like these. I've used the, what is it, brushed nickel or whatever before. And then to minimize prep, I'm going to use chalk paint so that I don't have to sand this down. And oh, this is milk paint, not chalk paint. I wonder if this will work the same. We'll see. Anyway, but it's in the Highland blue color. So we'll see how this goes. So they're pretty dirty. I need to wipe it. Before I start painting, I'm going to take this metal part off. But it's pretty. It's very heavy. And again, they had it priced for $30, but it was Sunday, so they were doing everything half off. So I got it for 15 bucks. We're going to see if we can fix it up. And here is the finished product. I just love how it turned out. And I'm gonna order a like white quilted comforter. This is just flipped upside down. We've had that, somebody gave it to us for our wedding. Anyway, so that's actually supposed to be on the bottom, but I thought that it looked nice. So here's my little sleigh bed. I'm so happy about it.